The US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has filed a lawsuit against ConsenSys, alleging that its MetaMask wallet tool's staking features operated as broker services without the appropriate license. The SEC also claimed that MetaMask offered an unregistered securities program through its staking service via Lido and Rocket Pool. The SEC said MetaMask's Lido and Rocket Pool integrations amounted to investment contracts, suggesting the agency views their popular ST and RIF liquid staking tokens as unregistered securities. The US Supreme Court ruled 6-3 on Friday to overturn the Chevron doctrine, a 40-year-old case that allowed federal regulators to enforce their interpretation of ambiguous laws. Experts state that, without the Chevron doctrine, the SEC will have a harder time pursuing an enforcement agenda in the absence of legal and regulatory clarity for the crypto industry. In his majority opinion on Friday, Chief Justice John Roberts called the Chevron doctrine unworkable, adding that it allows agencies to change course even when Congress has given them no power to do so. By its sheer breadth, Chevron fosters unwarranted instability in the law, leaving those attempting to plan around agency action in an eternal fog of uncertainty. The Internal Revenue Service, IRS, released the final version of its new crypto broker reporting requirements yesterday. The rule will apply to custodial brokers such as exchanges like Kraken and Coinbase. However, the IRS has delayed making a final determination on whether non-custodial platforms such as decentralized exchanges, DEXs, will be classified as brokers. Crypto lobbyists expressed concerns that the rule could harm the crypto industry, but the IRS has acknowledged it needed more time to consider the nuances of issues involving non-custodial industry participants. US judge lets most of SEC case against Binance proceed, dismisses secondary sales charge. A federal judge has reportedly dismissed part of the US Securities and Exchange Commission's lawsuit against crypto exchange Binance and founder Changpeng Zhao. Specifically, the judge granted Binance and Zhao's motion to dismiss charges tied to secondary BNB sales and Simple Earn. However, the judge allowed other charges, including charges against the holding company for Binance, US, to proceed. The judge ruled that the SEC's charges against Binance for the initial coin offering and ongoing sales for BNB, BNB Vault, staking services, failure to register, and fraud charges can proceed. Farcaster is getting in-app USDC payments. Decentralized social media protocol. Farcaster has introduced a new in-app payments feature using USDC stablecoins. The feature allows users to make one-tap payments from their profile or the app's messaging platform, eliminating the need to look up someone's wallet address. Founder Dan Romero confirmed the application will only use USDC on Base at launch. However, he stated that the open protocol allows for other currencies and chains to be integrated. The introduction of the in-app payments feature is part of Farcaster's efforts to make its client app, Warpcast, more user-friendly and competitive in the market. SEC returns S1 forms to Ethereum ETF issuers, with at least one more round to go. Source: according to a report by The Block, the US Securities and Exchange Commission has returned the S1 forms to prospective Ethereum ETF issuers with light comments. The issuers have been asked to address the comments and refile them by July 8th. The report states that there will need to be at least one more round of filings before the ETFs can finally start trading.